Have you ever wanted to lip sync a trending song or a famous dialogue, but it feels too complicated? You open one tool for lip sync, another for video, and another for images. It takes too much time, and the final result is still not good. Now look at these videos on your screen.
Hi, I'm your AI avatar from BitNext using litmedia AI. See how natural AI lip sync makes me speak just like a real person.
Litmedia is really amazing. It turns simple images into talking videos and offers so many powerful features at a very affordable price. Hey, I'm really enjoying Litmedia. It's so much fun bringing images to life.
Litmedia is so cool. Making me talk is really fun. Litmedia is amazing. So many features at a very affordable price.
I created all of these using just one AI tool. No confusion, no switching between different platforms. This is possible because everything works in one place. You can lip sync any song, any dialogue, or any audio. At the same time, you can create beautiful AI videos and images, even Sora-style content that is trending right now. The tool is called litmedia AI. You will find the link in the description. After you sign up, you will see a clean and simple dashboard. Everything is easy to understand, even if you are new to AI tools. Litmedia AI is an all-in-one AI platform. It includes popular models like Sora 2, Cdance Pro, Wan 2.6, Love AI, VO3, Nano Banana, and more. You can create images, videos, and effects without using multiple tools. Now, because this video is mainly about lip sync, let's go straight to it. Click on the lip sync option, a new page will open. From here, you can lip sync any song, dialogue, or audio very easily. First, upload your image. After that, in the script section, upload your audio file. If you do not have an audio file, you can directly type your dialogue or lines in the text box. In the voice section, you will see few cool voice options, and you can choose the one that fits your content best. Then, in the prompt box, describe how you want your video to look, such as the position of the character, the setting, or the style of the scene. So simply enter your prompt. Once everything is set, simply click Create, and our lip sync video will start generating. After a few moments, the video is ready. Now, just take a look at the result.
Hi, I'm your AI avatar from BitNext using litmedia AI. See how natural AI lip sync makes me speak just like a real person.
Everything looks smooth and clear, and the lip syncing feels perfectly natural. The character speaks the dialogue accurately, the lip movement matches the audio, and the overall motion and visuals look clean and well-polished. The final output looks impressive and very realistic. Now, let's try another example using a different style. This time, we will do lip syncing with an animated character. We repeat the same simple process. We upload the image, enter the dialogue in the script box, choose a suitable voice, and add our video prompt to define the animation style. After that, we click on Create, and the second video starts generating. And here we go. The second video is ready.
皆さん、良い一日をお過ごしください。リットメディアを探索して、その素晴らしさを実感してください。数回クリックするだけで画像にイントロを吹き込みます。
The result is once again incredible. The lip sync, facial motion, and animation feel smooth and well aligned. The dialogue delivery looks natural, and the overall output feels clean, professional, and visually appealing. To test consistency, we repeated the same process and generated more videos. And here are the results.
Have a great day, everyone. Explore Litmedia and see how amazing it is. Bring your images to life with just a few clicks.
Wow, Litmedia is so much fun. I can talk, move, and enjoy every feature.
Let's enjoy the day. Time to relax and swim by the beach. With litmedia, even I can come alive and have fun. And the best part? I can play around with so many expressions and moves. Litmedia really makes it feel alive.
Everything feels smooth, well-timed, and perfectly synced. So guys, as we have seen, this tool is truly impressive and packed with stunning features. You can generate videos, create images, apply different video effects, follow trending styles, and explore countless possibilities. Everything you need to make amazing content is right here. One of the best things about this tool is that Sora 2 is free right now. You can use it to create viral and trending videos without paying anything. This is a great chance to grow your content and reach more people. The pricing of litmedia AI is also very affordable. It costs less than a daily coffee, only about 0.01 cent per day. When you look at all the features you get, this price is much better than other AI tools that charge a lot more. There is also a lifetime plan available. The price is reasonable, and it is a good option for anyone who wants to use advanced AI features without monthly stress. So now you have seen the full process, and it's your turn to try it. You can explore litmedia AI, create videos, try lip sync, generate images, and test different trending models in one place. It gives you many creative options without making things complicated. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also share your ideas or questions in the comments. Your feedback really helps the channel grow. We will keep bringing you more useful and powerful AI tools to make content creation easier and more creative. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and take care.